Okay, on line here, you can see we've trimmed up the edge. Made everything all flat again. We've also contoured our line along the stucco edge, where we're going to be taking that out to make sure everything is tied in along the roof edge. Alright, you can see we've removed the bottom of the bay, exposing everything, opening it up. All the way across. This way we can get everything sealed in tight underneath before we continue moving on. Alright, also you can see we ran a new plate across the front. Now we're bringing everything leveled across so we can tell where we're going to fill in all our plywood. Alright, everything under here has been muck and fabric. You can see tied everything all the way across. You can see what I mean. We're completely filling the trench all the way across. And then we have our platform here now. Everything's been leveled. Make sure everything is correct.
Good, right? Yeah.
You can see here, got a new valley. You can see here everything's been undermucked and fabricked all across the edging. The wood has all been placed into the muck to keep it all sealed in. You can see same thing across here. Then we've come down the valley, same thing, all underneath, muck and fabric. We're running our paper now, sealing everything in. And also getting the cap ready for the front plate. Alright, you can see the paper has been placed in and then remucked and sealed over top. We then set our first run of rubber, glued it. You can see we now got the glue ready for the second run of rubber.
Yeah, Bud's out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, working with everything.
So we're setting this next run now. Cap's also in place. Muck and fabric on the seam all throughout this area here. It's got extra wood support, so there's no sinkage going on in this area. Okay, I just want to show how far we got today. You can see we got this side here completed. Everything's been undermucked, you can see. Also over here, made sure everything is tight and tied in. That's an extra overlap. The next sets of rubber will run side by side this way.
So I'm stuffing away. Just finished showing that final shot. Wait for we get hit with this snow. Next time to come back and do this roof here. Make it look like this. Looking good.
I just want to show this upper. We made sure that these ears were all closed off to keep the water from coming over and maybe getting behind. You see everything in here is all sealed in. We did the same thing over here. You can also see we sealed in any gaps we saw along the siding or capping. All this in this corner, across the front edge. You see all across the top. That's all sealed in. That's a diverter, so if the water comes down, it won't run over the edge. It'll hit here, ride down into the gutter. You see we also did not work off the roof. We set up plank. Alright, just showing everything down here. All tied in. Same thing all around this edge. You can see the gutter has also been all sealed in. Close off, same thing, all sealed in. Spout's been secured. You can see right here with the strap. And also on the edge here, everything's been closed off.